Bull means the performance leader. We are our driving by performance, but fueling by our partnership, because we are all giving the fuel to our success end of the day, because our dealers are first our internal customers, our end customers and finance partners. Normally we say, last time when I was in Vellore, Ravi was said one machine is giving the food for 5 families. Okay, what is that family? One is the bull family. When this Kirloskar engine starts, one is a bull family, second is a dealer family, third is the customer family, fourth is the operator family, fifth is the financier family. If one machine starts, all 5 family is successful. If any one family gets a problem, all 5 are under the problem. So we have designed this product with the BS5. We are, I said that no, next generation technology, which gives ultimate driving power in this superior performance. What is the definition of performance is, what is the productivity versus the fuel. Well, like you can have the mode also, Super Eco, Power Eco and Bull Power Plus, same like Super Smart. And we are what I take to simply 3-4 points mainly. What is the difference in engine? For example, this is JCB is having turbo cooler, okay, sorry, intercooler, turbocharger and CRDI, but we are having only CRDI technology, no turbo, no intercooler. That means what is the benefit of that is, because our compression ratio is 20:1 in our BS5, in Bull BS4 it is 18:1. So there is no need turbo. CC is 3760 cc, where JCB is reduced to 3000 cc. Sorry, a Bull, sorry, 4760, sorry. For Bull, we are not reduced from BS4 to BS, same engine, everything is same, 4760 cc for Bull Super Smart EX Plus, where JCB is 3000 cc, the reduced, first point number 1. Point number 2, but they put the turbo to increase the torque, volumetric efficiency, but still we find that we have a mode of operation. Hirer, we put a 3 segments, one is hirer, second is captive segments, third is the association like contractors, retailers. So what this kind of people, they can choose their button operation mode, so they can select their output. Output can be changed in BS4. That is number 1. Number 2 is, everyone knows this is a 1.26 cubic meter bucket. This is a 1.1 cubic meter bucket. This dump height is 9.71 feet. This dump height is 8.9 feet. Almost 1 feet is extra. And the all cylinder size are been reduced. The old JCB to this JCB. What they are claiming today is 20 minutes trial. 20 minutes trial. Please understand, 20 minutes trial. 40 ml fuel saving from BS4 JCB to BS5 JCB. So 1 hour they are saving the fuel from BS4 to BS5, which is 120 ml. Understand? 120 ml is a they are saving. For us, we are benchmarking from our BS4 to our this one is a 200 ml saving. So today what they are talking in the market is now the fuel mileage. So compared to their message, that is a BS5 is because they reduce the CC of the engine. So what is the disadvantage of reducing the CC? Now we cannot expect the future after running 2000, 5000 hours. There is a first owner may be successful because they are coming with more than 30 plus sensors in this machine. So first owner may be a second owner, third owner, the lifelong the machine will not work. So the long run, there is no much resale guarantee can be assured. So financials are facing challenge now due to the increased price. With these sensors, the operation cost is more. But Bull, it's a low operation cost. And very important point. Second is very good operator's comfort. You can ask any JCB operator, the BS5 and Bull operator, ask them operate for 2 hours, 3 hours. You will find our operators' livers are very free. JCB person says, sir, I am really feeling a chest pain, shoulder pain, because livers are very tight. So we put a different dynamics in this operating comfort. And next one is the hydraulic pump. They put a pump above the reservoir tank. See, that side oil tank is there. Yeah, I'll come next. After completing this, I'll come in. So here the pump you see, hydraulic pump, this they improved CC. The old model is 45 cc. Now they put 54 cc. But what is happening today? We took a trial. Last 4 days we took a lot of trial. So what did we do? They observed every time you start, no, like oil reservoir is bottom. So whenever you start, no, pump has to suck the oil from this level to this level. See, hydraulic pump is this side, tank is this side. Okay, pump is always upper side of the level. But in our bull, the hydraulic tank is here, our hydraulic pump is here. Gravitational force, so the pump works very efficiently. So more than double life hydraulic pump. So that is one point. Next point is this pump is mounted through gear in the flywheel, like engine, flywheel, there is one gear wheel, then pump is mounted. So drive is taken from the one connector. In between there is a friction loss in the gear in JCB. But in our bull, it's a directly coupled. There is no gear power transmission like gearbox. That is the one benefit we made it. And the next is the now coming to the cabin part. Yes, definitely coming June or July we are also looking for that little bit of change. Okay, but now this is a BS5 cabin where we put the little bit of space and adjustable steering, adjustable lever. Now there is a new model is there. Super. First in south we are preferring Kirloskar engine. In north, as MD said, we'll go for some Leyland engine. Some competition, Bobcat, Mahindra, Case, Sinroy. Some other competitions you can beat with a Leyland engine. Leyland also good engine, but the price will be little bit less. They are also now on another important point. In this machine, their maximum torque is 400 Newton meter at 1200 RPM engine. Okay? But normally customers operate. You ask with any dosing, front bucket they operate. No, now nobody will operate with 1200 RPM. Because if you put 1200 RPM, please understand a very important statement. If you put 1200 RPM, the machine travel speed is very low in dosing. They normally operate 1400, 2000. Okay, at the time the torque slips. So the front bucket more diesel consumption JCB compared to the back bucket. The gap earlier it was half liter. Now it is 1 liter. The gap in this. Okay. So because the torque, but our case is 1400 RPM, we are giving 350 Newton meter. Even you took 1600 also, our torque is high. So that's why we are saying the dosing speed, power of the dosing. Our max torque we kept it at 1400 RPM. So 1200 RPM is not, JCB will derail from 1200 onwards, the torque will go down. I'll explain you in the presentation. So that is a very important torque. In BS4 also they did the same mistake. BS5 also we checked all the torque, cycle time, loading, everything. I think you are aware. Sir is worked in JCB Southgate, so whatever I am talking in the technical side, he will understand. So very important. Okay, that's very important. And next is the back. Back is same, sir. Square cut bucket is for same hours. They don't have square cut bucket. Same boom, same everything, same they made it. Okay, but engine CC they reduced. For this and 49 HP they launched. In the 49 HP, their torque was 240 Newton meter at 1400 RPM. Now they improved to 270. So 49 HP. Okay, same engine. Engine is same. Okay, so the problem will be in the 49 HP, the engine heat level will be more because CC is less. If you operate in a hot climate in a summer, Rajasthan or a hot summer season, no, the engine first 1 hour it gets heat, no, automatically the performance previous BS4 JCB after 1.5 to 2 hours the performance dropped by 15% because of the hydraulic oil heat. Now in BS5 reduced CC, increased the intercooler because intercooler and everything they put it, no, they took the power from the engine only. Engine power is taken from the diesel. Diesel power is given by the customer money. So these three are interlinked. So that's why because intercooler they put turbo, they put this additional power consumption and a lot of service complexities in BS5. More than 30 plus sensors. Even for the oil service, they used to take minimum 4 hours, 5 hours just to touch the oil filter. Serviceability. So that is the way we design. Back is everything. Rest things, sir. We'll move to another 15 minutes. Those who wants to see our plant or see the demo or these things, please we can meet in the plant. Everything we have seen, you want to see, you can see. We have time. Yeah, dosing. Because why? That's why I'm saying. After seeing dosing only, we understand that their max torque at 1200 RPM only. You keep 1200, dosing power is there, but it is not moving fast. Power will not be there. What is the torque? Speed? Yeah, you can. Yeah, they are going to operate. They are going to. So it is going to come in July. So this headlight is. And the loader also. Yeah, standard. Now we are going to put LED. LED light. Yeah. Light change. No, this light will not be there. Both are based on the customer requirement. Customer requirement we can give. Yeah, light difference will be. Yeah, all of it. And skid backhoe also BS5. We are launching with the 2 engines. One is Kubota, second is Simpson. Skid backhoe. Yes, sir.
Sir, when it will come?
So it will come another July. Next July. June, July.
Till July.